How to disable and delete OneDrive on Windows 10. Now, there's only two ways on doing this method for you to be able to have it deleted or even have it removed on your PC. So the very first thing that you want to do is just to check out the specific settings that you have from your OneDrive, usually located at the lower right portion of your screen. So this is actually OneDrive. All I have to do is to right click on that, then go into Settings. Now head straight into the Account tab, and then just simply click Unlink this PC. You're gonna go ahead and choose on Unlink Account so that OneDrive will not automatically logged in while opening up or running up your PC. Now to have it removed or delete, just simply go into your Windows icon and just simply type in Apps and go into Apps and Features. And then in here, all you have to do is to go into the search list. Type in OneDrive, and this is the application or the folder that we need to have removed. And go into an uninstall. That's it. That's how you disable or remove OneDrive on Windows 10.